Today I am going to share some red flags you must spot and avoid if you want real wealth. Red flag 1, get rich quick. If anyone promises overnight success, run. Real wealth is built with consistency, not lottery tickets. Red flag 2, buy this now. Urgency pressure is a trap. Whether it's crypto, stocks, or courses, if you're being rushed to buy, it's for their benefit, not yours. Red flag 3, debt is normal. Wrong. Debt for assets can build wealth. Debt for lifestyle. It keeps you poor. Learn the difference, or you'll keep working for your bank. Red flag 4, trust me, bro. Blind trust kills. If someone can't explain why their advice works, don't follow it. Smart money decisions are simple, logical, and backed by real results. The right financial moves will make you rich. The wrong advice will keep you broke. Comment below, what's the worst money advice you've ever heard? And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more real money truths.